Thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back.
Am I tripping? Or is he painting with a baguette?
La 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 la. I see the new evil 적대적인 고난 가슬픔 넌 덮아 왠지 나 시켜 that's my novice is my novice.
Alright, so about to check out some more B. Brother Taehyung, he decided to drop on us another song. It actually happened at midnight last night for me, and it is called Rainy Days, right? It's Rainy Days? Yeah, Rainy Days. So listen, you know what? Like a title like Rainy Days gets me prepared for the vibe with Taehyung, okay? Like I picture a certain vibe when it comes to a song with the word rainy in it or rain in it. It's like a more mellow vibe. I don't know if that's what we're getting, but as I've said, bro, like his voice just like caters to stuff like that so well. It just sounds so good. I'm very excited to check this out. Also, someone did comment 5 songs to the question that I asked about how many songs in the album, and also commented 5 MVs, which is really cool. It's something to look forward to. Like I guess it's I don't know. I actually don't know because obviously I went to check if the other one was announced, and actually was the day before. I don't know if this one was announced. I have no idea. But regardless, I am here to check it out, so let's go. Alright, the Rainy Days. Hopefully, because someone did say 5 MVs, bro, hopefully I can make it to all of them. If I don't, then maybe 1 or 2 I'll just check out on my own and check out the other one. Whatever the last one will be. But I'm gonna try to check them all out. React to them. I will obviously check them out. Try to react to them. Excuse me. Excuse me, all these shots of your eyes, brother. It's hello. This MV seems so simple, and I love that. Okay, I'm just gonna speak on that right now because I wish more artists just like would release MVs for songs that don't have MVs, bro. Just for like, I don't know. Sometimes when a song gets an MV, it just gets that extra bit of oomph, and like people like are more likely to check it out just because it has an MV. At least the people who don't follow the artist hard. Like if you follow Taehyung, then you probably check out everything he releases. But not everyone checks out things that don't have MVs because they're weird, you know. So I wish more artists would like, or companies, I guess, because they make the decision, or at least more casual MVs, even like the selfie camera ones. I love MVs like that.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
It is a mellow, chill out vibe, but it's like it's not what I was expecting.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
Mood, bro. Mood. That is a very rainy day mood, but it be a mood every time you gotta go to bed sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes it's just like, this is where I want to be. This is where I want to be. Oh, I love how the birds were in a V. Obviously they be flying like that, but still. Is this his actual dog? I actually don't know. But I have a feeling it is. And if it is, that's really cool. If it's not, still adorable dog. You know, adorable dog if it is, adorable dog if it isn't. But if it is, he got the MV done with his dog. Like, that's cool as fuck. Also feels like he's singing to the dog, which makes it even cuter. Oh, I can feel like, I don't know if he's gonna end up turning up in like one of the songs on his album, bro. I'm so okay with like an album of vibes like this, bro. Like, This is my shit. This is literally my shit.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most.
Oh, I thought you just start spitting, bro.
Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. None and night late clover. Yeah, I can feel
Ooh, the style of this MV is so dope.
Come out and I patch it and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back.
Am I tripping? Or is he painting with a baguette? What the fuck is in his hand, bro? He is. I'm pretty sure he is, because he has a whole rolling pin. Am I bugging?
Start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over.
I like that part.
Night late clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. Come out and I patch it and I miss you.
I swear to God, he's painting with a baguette.
What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
Art.
rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
Art.
What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
That's so dope, bro. I am so gassed for him to release the other songs. Like I said, I'm gonna try my best to react to the rest of them. I make no promises because obviously things be getting in the way, but I'm so with these vibes, bro. Like if he literally just went with like a chill ass vibe for the rest of the songs, bro, for everything, and never once just turned up for the one time, I'm okay with that. Because I literally like, not to put him in a box of what his voice like how I feel about his voice, but it's like I hear his voice and it's the kind of music I like to hear him on, you know, just like chill, mellowed out music. I genuinely do hope he turns up one time, but if he doesn't, I don't mind. This is nice, like a more R&B feel than the last one.
All I want is you.